Here we have the Camojojo Trace 4G LTE Cellular Trail Camera. The Camojojo store sent me this so that I could check it out and let you know what I think, so let's get into it. First of all, let's cover what's inside. We've got the instruction manual, the trail cam itself, a mounting strap, a mounting stand, and a USB-C cable, as well as a USB to DC adapter. The camera is battery operated. It does require 12 AA batteries, not included. Now, at first I thought this was a lot of batteries. However, I've had this camera up now for 3 weeks. It's barely gone down on battery life, so it's going to last a long time. It does have the SIM card already installed for you. It uses the AT&T signal, and we're going to press and hold this button here. It's going to turn on. The lights are going to flash a little bit while it's being detected. Then we're going to download the app and get that going. Setup on this was super easy. I put the batteries in, turned it on, I scanned the QR code, entered a little bit of information, named the camera, and I was good to go. To set it up outside, we're going to just strap it around the tree. It comes with the strap and the mounting bracket. Of course, you can tilt it up and down to get it on the desired level that you want. This is IP66 waterproof, and since it's got the SIM card in it, you can put it anywhere. You don't need any Wi-Fi or anything. Now I'm going to show you some footage that came out of the camera while I talk about a few more of the features. As you can see here, it captured this deer in my yard nicely. Here I just zoomed in a little bit so that you can see that deer up close. And then here's what the deer looks like at night. Now the camera has motion detection, so it'll only record when it does detect that there's something nearby, but it'll also do live streaming if you'd like as well. You just can go into the app with a push of a button. You can see what's happening in your area live. Now it will capture crystal clear photos for you as well as 1080p video. It does have a 32 gigabyte SD card inside the camera itself so that you can store all of the video and the pictures on that, or you can do a monthly fee and sign up for the app and get the live streaming through your phone and then also get notification and all of the videos through the app on your phone too, which is what I've done. And here's a little bit about what the app looks like. You can see all of the videos in there in the album. You can watch them from your phone. You can easily download them to your phone. And this does work on both iOS or Android. Now, the camera itself will detect what type of animal it saw or people or vehicle, which is kind of cool. It also gives you lots of other information, like it'll show on the map exactly where the camera's at. It'll give you information on weather conditions, as well as temperature, barometric pressure, moon phases. There's so many things that it does. The app will even tell you the signal strength and the battery. Look at that. It still says 100%, even though I've had this hooked up and going for 3 weeks. Now, again, it has the internal memory card, so if you don't want to pay the subscription fee to get the videos through the cellular SIM card, you can just plug it in to the computer, download all of the pictures and videos that way. So there you have it. I think the picture and video quality on this is amazing. I especially love how easy this was to set up. In 5 minutes, you can have this thing out of the box, on a tree, and recording. It's great to capture all of the animals in your yard, and then also as security too. If you've got some property, you want to kind of keep an eye on it, this thing will definitely deliver. Highly recommend.